So, Mom, you were saying you don't want a routine.
No.
Why not, Mom?
No, because I'm not that old.
You're 33?
No, bullshit.
How old are you? How old are you?
93.
You're 93, and you don't want to work out every day.
No.
No, not no. Hell no.
Hell no.
Hell no.
Hell no.
Hell no. Okay.
No, I don't want to work hard that way. I'm happy at 93 that I'm doing, that I could walk. I have my legs yet. I'm pretty independent.
But you don't want to improve.
What?
You don't want to improve.
No. What the hell am I going to improve for? I should have improved already in my life, and I did a lot of exercise. I really did. I wouldn't be like this if I didn't exercise. I exercise and exercise.
But no more exercise. You're done with that.
No, I'm going to move. I'm going to be agile, but I don't want to add to the stress anymore.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think I've had it. I've had it. I want you to be agile.
Well, I was thinking maybe you could go climbing mountains with me or
Oh,
something.
shit. Yeah. No. I'm not going to climb. Yeah, climb mountains and then leave me there? No.
Well, what if we bury you at the top of S Mountain?
Yeah.
Cowles Mountain.
Yeah.
You want to go try that?
No.
No.
Cowles Mountain's hard.
Yeah, you don't want to try hike that with me today.
No. I did it, Paul.
You did all that stuff,
Yeah,
right?
I did.
You're done with that stuff.
Yeah, I did it. And it's not that I was lazy either.
Yeah?
No, I wasn't a lazy.
Well, how do you feel about walking around Costco?
Yeah, well, I'll do that every now and then, yeah.
Okay, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, anything else you want to tell me? I tell you to take my routine program and shove it?
Shove it.
Shove it.
Yeah.
Shove it where? Where should I shove it?
Wherever it fits.
Wherever it fits. There's grandma karaoke.